Welcome back to Minecraft. My name is Mac and today we will be learning how to build an automatic door closer. The design I will teach you also works with fence gates and trapdoors. Here is my design in action in a real scenario. As you can see, the fence gate shuts itself automatically almost instantly after I open it. It's so quick that you can't get past it properly if you are sneaking. As you can see, this is best used in tight farms that will one day store lots of animals. By shutting the door very quickly behind you, your animals won't escape. Here is the skeleton of my contraption. It is exactly the same in redstone as the other example I just shown you. It looks like it can be compacted quite a lot, but I had difficulty doing this as the piston would behave differently depending on the redstone around its head. To build this, you will need 1 sticky piston, 13 building blocks of your choice, 1 redstone torch, 1 lever, 8 redstone dust, 1 redstone repeater, and your choice of a trapdoor, fence gate of the door as the output. Later in this video I will explain the last 3 items in that chest. I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of me building it very quickly. Just remember that the design from the farm and the skeleton of it are exactly the same to one another in the one I am building right now. Don't worry if it's too quick, I'll explain in more depth on building it later. And there we go, we are done. Just testing it now and it seems to be working flawlessly. I will now show you how to build it step by step, layer by layer. Just remember that in this tutorial, the blocks that we have already placed are marked blue, and the ones we are placing will be white. Firstly you want to mark out and clear an area that is 5 wide, 4 across and 6 high. This will be the cube it fits into. Next place 4 blocks along the bottom right side of it and 2 blocks on the top middle of it as you see here. In the next layer, place 4 redstone wire on top of the bottom blocks from before, and a lever on the top one and a repeater under it facing downward on its default setting. To place these blocks diagonally, aim at the side of the redstone wire and place it there. It will be diagonal to the other block. Now, place 2 blocks off the edge of the redstone wire. Here you place on the block from before. Then add a torch to this other block as you can see here. This next layer gets tricky, but don't worry. Place a block above the torch aiming at the top of it and 1 more to the right side of that block like so. To place the piston and fence gate, first build 2 high blocks where the piston should go, and then break the bottom one and replace it with the downwards facing piston. On the side of it place the fence gate and remove the excess block on top of the piston. Here is the last layer. First place 2 wire on top of the blocks above the torch like so. They should turn on. Then on the side of the wire facing the piston, place a diagonally block with another wire on top of it. You are now done. To test it out, simply open the fence gate, wooden door or whatever you put there. If you are finding that the door closes on you too quickly, you can add a short delay onto it. You will need the following 3 items on the right side of the chest. Start with your finished product and we will adjust the delay. Firstly remove this block you see here like so. This will remove the auto close on the gate. Then place 3 blocks in front of the whole project over here. Remove this wire and replace it with a torch. Then place a block above the torch. Now we made it into an inverted gate that opens after you close it. Please use this to troll your friends. To revert it back, place the remaining 3 wires on top of these blocks and you are done. Now if I compare the two, you can see that the new one has a longer delay unlike the first one which is almost instant. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If you have any questions or tutorial requests or challenges, please post them in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up or favorite as it helps me become a human again.